Christmas morning in the Philippines. Well, it's Christmas morning, and it's what is it? What time is it? About 11 a.m. Almost. Well, I think it's actually right around 11 a.m. But you know what? It's not too early to start doing some cooking. That's how we roll over here. So, anyways, it's just a little bit overcast. It's sunny out, and the weather is gorgeous. It's really nice out here today. So, anyways, let's take a look at what's going on over here in the dirty kitchen. Mom's putting together some grub. I think we got some Shanghai, also known as lumpia, and some pork skewers. I don't know. Let's go take a look. Getting the grill going here. I don't know what the plastic bag is for, but now we got the little Weber grill. Now we're gonna throw some pork skewers on here momentarily.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Got our scooter inside the dirty kitchen. She's all covered up. That's a Honda ADV 2020. Yeah, maybe we'll be getting her out here shortly. Anyways, there we go. We got the rice cooker. What, is this thing going? Do we have rice cooking or no? Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. And let me see here. We got some fresh vegetables. What's all the vegetables for?
For the pancit.
For the pancit. Oh, we're making pancit. You're making pancit. Okay, yep. No kidding. There's the noodles. There's the noodles. And what else? Panko covered cauliflower?
Yes.
Is that what that is? And then some pork skewers. Those will be going on the grill here shortly. A little bit of lumpia. A lot of lumpia, actually. Jeez, look at all that.
Now I'm going to... This is the way I lighted up my charcoal.
All right.
The simplest way.
Get her heated up over the stovetop and then what? Dump it inside the grill?
No, that's the boy.
All right. Here's the latest addition to our cast iron collection. It's a big old grill. Actually, the grill's on the other side. And then the griddle is right there. I had to take some sandpaper after that bad boy when we first bought it. Try to get the factory finish off of it, or the manufacturer finish off it, so we could season it with olive oil. So, and here's all the rest of the cast iron up on the rack. So, yeah.
They're shaking just now when there's an earthquake.
Yeah, we had an earthquake a little while ago, and all the pans were shaking up here. It was like, holy crap. We were sitting right inside watching it. It's like, dang. Yeah, well, the earthquake was a lot stronger down south of Manila, I guess, but we just kind of caught the mild version of it. We're so far away from where the epicenter was, but I think it was a 6.3 down south of Manila, and of course we're way the heck up here in Pangasinan, so but we still felt it. At first I thought I didn't get enough sleep last night, and my equilibrium was all thrown off, but no, it was an earthquake. So anyways, yeah, fun stuff. All right, we're cooking. Yeah, I just checked the temperature. It's like, God, it's like 84, 85 degrees out right now. So yeah, it's pretty warm here. The humidity is pretty fine though, so that's the key. As long as the humidity is down, we're good. We're golden. So the humidity isn't quite as high today as it normally would be. Or I don't know what it is. Anyways, check this out. Ooh, these are the pork skewers. We bought like, how many did we buy? Like 30 of these?
30 pieces.
30 pieces?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah, these are good. Yeah, she's saying, what? You'll do the cooking and what? Anyways.
cooking, we will do the video.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Alright, I'll check back when these things get cooking up good. Okay, they are cooking good. I had to get some motorcycle glasses. Windproof. For the chef here, so she doesn't get smoke in her eyes. Me too. Yeah, those are looking awesome.
Piece of hair.
So I suppose I better put the camera down and help you get those off the grill.
Yeah.
All
Yes,
right.
please.
All right, next up is the ham and pineapple. We're getting ready to throw this in the oven. So we have, let me see, the skewers that we just pulled off the grill. That's what we were looking at here just a little bit ago. Those are done. Now we're going to go ahead and put the ham inside the oven at, I think we'll do about 180 Celsius. That should be just around 350, yeah, a little hotter than 350 Fahrenheit. So okay, we'll come back after that one's done. And I think what's next? Lumpia?
Yeah, or pancit.
Or pancit. Alright, we'll check that out. Alright, now we're moving into pancit territory. 7-quart Dutch oven. That's how we make the pancit here in the Ghanaian chef household.
Since I didn't cook the bean sprout, I'll just mix it.
Pretty cool. So what you have in there besides pancit noodles?
The vermicelli, and then the
Vermicelli?
Vermicelli noodles, and then the another. This one, canton.
Okay.
I have to put together. This one maybe.
Alright, just to bring you back up to speed, it is Christmas 2020 and we're here in Alaminos City, Pangasinan, and we're just kind of having a nice, quiet, mellow day, doing some cooking and a little bit of celebrating. Anyways, kind of take a look at what we got going on here. Got the table, we're starting to set the table. Getting ready. Got a ham in the oven. We got the pork skewers already cooked out on the grill. And right now we just finished the pancit. Cooking that in the old Dutch oven. Now we're deep frying some lumpia Shanghai, but we're having some problems with these wrappers that we used. Yeah. These wrappers are like deteriorating inside the...
I should just bought the ordinary wrapper.
Yeah.
You see this ordinary wrapper?
Those are ordinary wrappers?
Yes.
So we were just cooking some of them and they were like melting, deteriorating inside the hot oil there.
You see, this one is not. They are the ordinary wrappers that you can buy in a wet market.
Okay. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Are we going to be able to cook those other ones then?
I hope so.
These ones here. Look at that wrapper's kind of... Yeah, I never realized that you have to be careful with the kind of wrappers you buy. I just figured Shanghai lumpia wrappers were good to go no matter what, but I guess not.
No.
There is quality involved. So anyways, take a look outside here again. Like I said, it's about, I think it's around 84. I checked the weather earlier. It's like 84, 85 degrees. And we are Not doing too bad on humidity. That's the number one thing right there. Dogs chilling out. Christmas dog. Say Merry Christmas. She doesn't care. Crazy dog. Anyways, we'll see how this Shanghai lumpia is coming along here with these wrappers. The wrapper issue that we're having. So. Alright, so looks like we're doing just fine on these lumpia wrappers. They look good.
The ordinary wrapper.
The ordinary wrappers. Rappers, yo, hey, what's up, man? Shit, yeah, boy. Anyways. I think we'll check back when we get the table all set up. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a nice holiday so far. Merry Christmas to all. And we'll check back here in a moment. Okay, once again, we're just about ready here to start eating. We're finished cooking and we got the table all set up and everything looks just wonderful. So take a look here real fast. Alright, fresh fruit from the local market. We got a mango roll cake from Red Ribbon Bakery. We got some lumpia, lots of it. Pork skewers, pancit, a baked ham, some rotisserie chicken, some breaded cauliflower, and I think we have drinks in the refrigerator. Probably have some Cokes, and that's about it. We're having a pretty nice Christmas here so far. We're watching Home Alone 2. The kids are anyways, and wife and I are kind of tired today. We didn't get much sleep for obvious reasons. Christmas season, you never usually do. So, come on in, hon.
I'm going to give some to Ate now.
Okay, we're gonna get. Yeah, okay, we're gonna do a little food gift to the neighbors. There, we always do that. It's kind of a part of the culture here. So, anyways, yeah, that's about it. Christmas 2020. I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday, having a Merry Christmas, sleeping well if you're in the States sleeping. Yeah, everybody's sleeping in the United States back home, so hope everybody wakes up to a wonderful Christmas morning. Not too much snow, whatever, and yeah, that's about it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Take it easy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Cayenne. Alina. Alright, that's it. We'll talk to you later. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
That's the thing.